For Motorola users, backing up files is essential to prevent data loss. Regular backups help safeguard important documents, contacts, messages, media, and apps. In this video, we'll explore easy solutions to simplify your Motorola backup process. Way 1. How to backup Motorola without software photos videos. Connect your Motorola to a PC via USB. On your phone, select USB mass storage and confirm. On your PC, locate your phone storage, copy the files, and paste them where you want. Rename for easy access. Way 2. How to backup Motorola phone to computer via Android backup and restore easy. Looking to streamline the Motorola backup process? Try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. This smart software efficiently backs up all your Motorola Android device files to your computer. How to run the Motorola phone backup with Android backup and restore. Step 1. Start once you've installed Android backup and restore on your computer. Initiate the program and link your Motorola phone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Choose when recognized, pick backup from the main window. Then identify the transferable file types and select the files you wish to backup. Choose a preferred location for saving the files. Step 3. Backup. Click the Backup button to export the chosen files from your Motorola device to the computer. Plus, you can even connect another phone to your computer to complete the Motorola to Motorola data transfer. Way 3. How to backup Motorola Moto to PC or Mac with Assistant for Android. For efficient Android data backup and flexible device management, you can also pick Mobikin Assistant for Android. Connect multiple Android devices to your PC. Effortlessly back them up and restore with a simple click. Step 1. Connect your Motorola phone to the PC, launch the software, and enable USB debugging on your phone. Next, follow the steps to ensure successful device recognition, resulting in the main interface. Step 2. Click Super Toolkit in the top menu, then press Backup to start the process. A pop-up window on the PC allows you to choose specific files for backup and select an output folder on the computer. Finally, tap Backup to initiate. For targeted data backup other than the entire one, use the left side menu on this program. For instance, to backup contacts from Android to the computer, click Contacts on this Android phone manager, preview, select, and click Export from the top menu. Way 4. How to backup Motorola phone via Rescue and Smart Assistant. Enable USB debugging on your Moto via RSA, then accept authorization messages. For newer versions, enter the code to authorize the connection. Once detected, select Backup Data Types and confirm permission to start the backup. Way 5. How to backup Moto phone using Google account. Option 1. Google One. Go to Settings, Google Backup. Toggle Backup by Google One and tap Backup Now. Option 2. Google Photos. Open Google Photos. Tap your profile photos settings backup. Turn it on and choose Backup Settings. Way 6. How to backup Motorola via Verizon Backup Assistant. Install the app, launch it, and tap Get Started. Enter your Verizon password for multiple accounts. Log into each. Sign in or use the one-time PIN. Tap Next and select items to backup.